gears suddenly got stiff as well. I don't know what's going on there. Clearly lit up phone screen. It's a newer generation of iPhone E505MPV. Nice Mercedes. Very nice. Good afternoon, sir. I think you should not be using your phone behind the wheel.
Right.
Do you know what's happening next? I'm going to cut the video. I'm going to report you to the police for phone driving. I love the Mercedes, but I do not love the phone driving.
You're right.
It's a fantastic car.
It is. Thanks.
After you.